On 8th of January, a consultative meeting was arranged at Rongkhelan, Amreng constituency between the general public of Wanpung and Samatan and Dr. Tuliram Ronghang-led KAC government. Hence, on this meeting, Horensing Bey MP, while delivering his speech, labelled Jai Kathar, president of All Party Hills Leaders Conference APHLC, as the Lucifer of Karbi Anglong. Therefore, with a reference to this remark, on the 9th of January, APHLC Duarbagori Constituency Committee condemned Horensing Bey MP during a press conference. During the press conference called on 9th of January, APHLC Duarbagori Constituency condemned his statement made during the public meeting held at Amreng constituency and alleged Horensing Bey MP to be ignorant and arrogant leader among all.
Hijim dun thude nilitum Duarbagori APHLC hoi pen sitami kopi polo potelang like non het jong ta Jai Kathar panta Jesus Christ pen sipatin lo la pen ke alang li Lucifer posipulo Lucifer pote inoda soitan lo soitan pote kumalo no na bang ke alang li mek thang ma si sining leng thok sita im hang chiro poton ta thak sin no na bang ke la bang ke Lucifer ahok pe Lucifer ke kumalo pote Horensing Bey lo ngilitum ki jong don je bangke la seleng li lo ki up ine ki dan dene ki tek thene amok ke wang wene MP lo.
Horensing Bey MP is dull, who is still unaware of his own powers, rather than raising his voice for statehood at the parliament. He is here following the footsteps of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. The one who compared Jai Kathar as a Lucifer is actually the Lucifer himself, alleged Mondor Singh Ingti, president of APHLC Duarbagori Constituency.
Aleng li laningkan pho mek yang dun lot ajoy ne. Aleng li non Kamatapur na 26 January long bang ke Kamatapur pan ke hempre kalame ke chingwai do pupu. Aleng li chithera akre mante. Aleng li pulo aleng li ke mantu neta kar tim kar bianglong mate BJP kar bianglong BJP tungke kar bianglong hempek farman bangke ke hang farman bangke mantu ne penta aphit kengkam sinan kirui dalang pula solam ninje ver ente lang li non chitera agrima lahaya hoya du alam ki ninje da.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.